Hey there, everybody. I just bought a pole saw at Harbor Freight. It's the electric Portland pole saw. So I'm going to try to assemble this and put it to use. This is some assembly required. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. I gotta find a way to set up so I can use two hands on this. This goes on here. Okay. So this is way too tight because it doesn't fit over that. So let's loosen the tension a little bit. Still not loose enough. Boy, they expect this chain to stretch out because we're about bottomed out on chain tension. And still, there we go. Okay, we're around the sprocket. We got a little bit of slack, or the whole way around the bar. Let me see if I can tighten this up a little bit now. Okay, that looks okay. This goes back on. I'm going to cut a bunch of branches with this. This has a 91-inch bar. What's that mean? What's the 91 here? Is that 91 centimeters? That's not right. That'd be like 40 inches. From the log to the top of the chain. We got about 7 inches. So this will cut us, well, it should cut a 7-inch branch. Let's see. So Harbor Freight's not allowed to sell, well, the Harbor Freight I went to is not allowed to sell bar and chain oil because they're not registered with the EPA to do so. So I purchased some 3-in-1 oil. I wanted some of this anyway, and since I can't get the bar and chain oil, I'm going to use 3-in-1 oil to lubricate this bar and chain. And it says here, ensure sufficient chain oil before each use. Use only good quality bar and chain oil, or, if not available, unused SAE 30 weight motor oil may be substituted. I'm going to substitute the SAE 30 motor oil substitution with 3-in-1. Well, let's put a little more. Whoop, too much. That'll do it. The base of the tree is about 8 foot off the ground from where I can reach, so that's why I got the pole saw. So I'm gonna put it to use here and see what happens. well, there you have it. We got this done. Right now I'd give this a 10 out of 9 stars. Performed well. It was sharp out of the box. Worked well out of the box. I do need to tension the chain. It stretched a little bit, but that's not a surprise. It's not necessarily a bad thing. But for right now, I'm happy with this purchase from Harbor Freight. So I hope this review helps, and I will see you in the next one.